Hello everyone, today our presentation organizational communication presented by Dr. Khelood A. We are answer the question about the concept of communication, the process of communication, type of the communication. Communication defined as the exchange of idea, message or information by speech, single or writing. Communication process, as you see in this figure, is explained clearly the communication process. First, start with the sender a message, and then there is in another part receiver. He is receive a message, and around him there is noisy, and there are another process is the feedback. So communication process, there are three of the communication process: first sender, second message, third receiver, and then the feedback from the receiver. And around all these processes is the noisy. There are three levels of communication: oral communication, example for that telephone call, meeting, chat; writing communication, example for this letter, file, email, document, report; interpersonal communication like face-to-face chat or voice-to-voice chat. In this figure summarizes the main type of the communication in any organization. As you see, the first one is vertical communication. This is arranged with the different organization level. And horizontal communication, this type of the communication is in the same level of the organization. And then internal communication and external communication, which say sometimes indoor communication inside the organization, and this is outside the organization. Formal communication, which is for meeting and formal group and official and informal communication like a friend, family, your brother, your sister. Formal communication, as I explained before in the last presentation, there are three levels of the management in any organization: top management and middle management and the first line management. And this is figure show clearly the three levels of management in any organization. So the first level is the manager send the communication or the letter to the direct of the department, like direct of financial, direct of the human resource, direct of the marketing, and direct of the operation. And at this time, those people, they send their message to the first line of the group employer and their staff, and the first line in the operation management. And this is the clearly example show the difference between the formal communication and informal communication. As you see, is clearly the formal communication between people who don't know each other, or or they are not friends. Like see, this is an example for the police, driver, teacher, and student show a seatness, and the customer while informal communication like a friend, like family, like a school mate, like college. There are 5 levels of communication. First, interpersonal, the communication with the one self and the like sound of your thinking. You are asking, speak with yourself, hear yourself what you are reading. Interpersonal, this is level include 2 people. When you are met your friend and explain yourself to your friend, or when you are speak with your mother, your father, like this, or the manager with the one employer. And a small group, which is include 3 people till 12 people, and this is to like teamwork. They work together, football. And public communication, which is public speaking, the person that who is responsible about other people. And mass communication, this is like the TV, like the communication in the cinema. You see that, and this is more than 12 people, that's million people, as you see, like Google, all this, Twitter, Facebook. This is a mass communication. For listening, I will see you again in the next presentation. Goodbye.